Official office sentences. First one, give me your business card. Instead of this one, you can say, do you mind if I take your business card? Second one, tell me when you are available. This the correct one. Or you can say like, let me know when you are available. That's a bad idea. You can say like, I'm not sure that's a good idea. Fourth one, your work isn't good. Actually, the correct one. I'm not quite satisfied with this work. Next one, you're wrong. You can say like, I think you are mistaken. I hate this song. The correct one. Or you can say like, I'm not very fond of this song. The next one, I want a hamburger. You can say like, I would like to have a hamburger. The last one, send me the report. One you can say like, would you send me the report? Homonyms. It is nothing but same pronunciation but different meaning. First one, moose. So it have both are same pronunciation. First one it indicates large deer on the species. So next one it indicates ice cream. Next one, bridal. So first one indicating the married girl. So or marriage dress or something like. She wore a floor length of bridal gown. So the wedding dress. It is first one indicating. Second one, that horse having this rope, right? This is called as a bridle. He held the horse by the bridle. Next one, male. So first one it indicates Gmail, email. The second one it indicates the male person, the gender. For example, the male employee are getting paid more than the female. So the next one it is a walk. First one it indicates walking in the morning, the normal walking. So next one it indicates about the pan. So it is also called as a wok. The heat some oil in the wok and then add some vegetables. The next one it indicates the last one, the flu. So first one birds fluing, second one it indicates virus. Today we learn about some insect name. First one ant, then spider, beetle, lizard, centipede, grasshopper, caterpillar, cockroach, butterfly, honeybee, ladybug, termite, tick, scorpion, fly. Then we learn some fruits name. Apple, watermelon, orange, strawberry, grape, cherry, mango, nectarine, banana, pomegranate, raspberry, papaya, kiwi, pineapple, lemon, apricot, grapefruit, peach, avocado, passion fruit, plum, lime, blueberry, lychee, fig. Thank you. Have a nice day.